let's take you outside to Del Mar. Of course, it is opening day at the racetrack. Well, a couple horses down there warming up, and as Mary said, they are a group that wakes up just as early as we do, so they can understand our pain, and of course, you at home probably do as well. Right now we're seeing fog in Ramona. Visibility is down to about 3/10 of a mile. Escondido, patchy fog here as well. Expecting that marine layer to be farther inland the next several days, so that chance for fog, of course, will be farther inland, less away from the coastline, and definitely not as widespread as what we saw yesterday. Temperatures are starting off in the 60s, in fact 63 in Escondido, Poway, and downtown right now, 64 in Chula Vista. 80s and near 90 out in the deserts. We also have cooler air coming to the deserts. It's still going to be hot. It's still summer, but temperatures will be dropping below 110 today. So cooler air is filtering into the north of us. It will be a bit breezy in our mountain and desert areas, and even the coast and the valleys. We'll see that occasional gust come on through, but overall it will be quite nice. Temperatures will be topping out near to below normal straight into the weekend. Now, monsoon moisture does start to return on Sunday. That's that humidity. We're going to start to feel that coming in. Especially early next week, we'll notice more of those high clouds coming on in as well. Temperatures, though, will be staying in the low 70s through Monday along our coast, a little bit warmer by Tuesday. Inland neighborhoods, we're going to be hovering mostly in the upper 70s to low 80s into the weekend. Monday and Tuesday, temperatures do start to go up once again. Now, if you live in the mountains and the deserts, Monday and Tuesday and potentially most of next week, we will see a slight chance for a few pop-up showers or thunderstorms in the afternoons. Mainly because that monsoon moisture is going to be coming in. So, of course, we'll keep keeping our eyes on that. But, hey, it's not as hot. Kalina.